buenos días. Soy Ruth. Este canal se llama Spanglish Fantástico y hoy I want to do un poco de práctica con los números up to 100, 100. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And people know those, they like to count them. It's just as easy to count to 100 because you've got 10 and then look, you've got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I hope you could see those okay. Well, you know the sequence. I have difficulty getting to know los números and I have to write them out. I have to have them in front of me. But then it's easy. And then lo que necesitas es ways to play with them, to get familiar with them. I use los números, yo uso los números en mi trabajo, in my work, because I'm a teaching assistant and I support in matemáticas. So I do number bonds. So why not do number bonds? Look, they're easy. So you've got 49 más 51 and they add up to 100, don't they? So that is la idea con number bonds. Okay, you're looking for different combinaciones que suman 100 and play with it un poco. So we've got 48 más 52, 38 más 62, right? That makes sense. See? Tiene sentido. So go one down and one up. 37 más 63. And then you can use a random number generator. Just have a day para practicar los números. Okay, not a whole day, but that can be your focus. See? A random number generator between 1 and 50. And then you've got your numbers written down beside you if you need them. And you look and you go, once, the once ones, once, dos, tres, 14, 15. So 11 to 15, I like that. Once más 89. Put in your random number generator and then you can say the number, yeah, no? 25 más 75. You get the picture. Now this series was questions and answers. So una pregunta could be, okay, have a look. That's a set of drawers, cajones, not cajones, cajones. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuestan los cajones? How much would you guess? It's 80 libras, 80 pounds. Otro ejemplo. Okay, a table is una mesa. ¿Cuánto cuesta la mesa? Cuesta 100 libras. Okay, and we use los números to hablar de all sorts of things. Por ejemplo, la historia. ¿Sí? Por ejemplo, los presidentes de los Estados Unidos. ¿Sí? En los 20, los presidentes were Woodrow Wilson and Herbert Hoover. Y los 30, Roosevelt. Y los 40, Truman. Los 50, Eisenhower. O los primer ministros en el Reino Unido, the United Kingdom. Los 60, that's the 60s. Los 60, it was Macmillan, Home and Wilson. Los 70, the 70s, Heath, Wilson and Callaghan. Los 80, Thatcher. Los 90, Labour, they had Blair in and John Major. So Usamos lenguaje para hablar de todas las cosas en la experiencia humana. One more way before I go to practicar los números. We count when we do ejercicio, don't we? If we do ejercicio. So you could maybe, why not try to run up and down 100 stairs? So if you have stairs en tu casa, and count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there's una variedad de maneras de practicar los números hasta 100. And of course you can simply count in tens as you're walking, washing the dishes, or waiting in the queue at el supermercado. Okay, so enjoy, practice your numbers today. Remember, la pregunta would be ¿cuánto es? And la respuesta, bueno, whatever it may be. I will see you again muy pronto. Remember, speak your Spanish, use your Spanish. So when los números come up, think about, what would that be en español? Tú hablas español. Hasta pronto. Adiós.